Welcome to how to watch Telegram videos in iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to watch Telegram videos in iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you open up your Telegram application and if someone basically sends you a video, and when you tap on that video you can't be able to see that video. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix this. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you will go into your app store, and after going into the app store you will search here VLC, and then what you're gonna have to do, you need to basically download and install this media player. Okay, just tap on it and then just tap on get, and then wait for it to complete the installation. After this you will again open up your Telegram application, and then what you're gonna have to do, you need to tap on that specific video that is not playing, and then from share you can select VLC media player and the video will be played in VLC media player. So that's how to do this. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.